Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Mahindra Bolero pickup is one of India's most trusted and rugged light commercial vehicles, known for its durability, powerful performance, and ability to handle tough terrains. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a farmer, or a business owner, the Bolero pickup has been a go-to choice for transportation needs across the country. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the Mahindra Bolero pickup, exploring its design, performance, features, and why it has been a favorite for decades. We'll also compare it with competitors and discuss whether it is the right choice for your business. Design build quality. At first glance, the Mahindra Bolero pickup retains the rugged and muscular look of the standard Bolero. The front grille, bold headlamps, and sturdy bumper give it a commanding road presence. The design is simple but highly functional, ensuring that it can withstand rough roads and heavy loads. The body is made of high-strength steel, providing durability and resistance against wear and tear. The chassis is designed to handle heavy payloads while maintaining stability, even on uneven roads. The ground clearance is impressive, making it suitable for rural and semi-urban conditions where roads may not always be well paved. The loading bay is spacious and designed to carry a significant amount of cargo. Depending on the variant, the payload capacity varies from 1.3 tons to 1.7 tons, making it one of the most capable pickups in its segment. Whether you are transporting construction materials, agricultural produce, or commercial goods, the Bolero pickup can handle it all. Engine performance. Powering the Mahindra Bolero pickup is a robust M2 Diker diesel engine. This engine is designed for efficiency and durability, providing a balance between power and fuel economy. The 2.5 liters engine produces around 75 bhp and 200 Nm of torque, which is sufficient to handle heavy loads without compromising performance. The vehicle comes with a 5-speed manual transmission that is smooth and well-tuned for city and highway driving. The gear ratios are designed to provide better torque at lower speeds, which is crucial when carrying heavy loads. One of the standout features of the Bolero pickup is its mileage. Despite being a commercial vehicle, it offers a fuel efficiency of around 14 to 16 kilometers per liter, depending on the load and driving conditions. This makes it a cost-effective option for businesses that require frequent transportation. The suspension system is built to handle rough terrain. The front suspension consists of independent coil springs, while the rear has leaf springs, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. The braking system is adequate, with disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the rear, providing a good stopping distance even with the full load. Comfort features. When it comes to commercial vehicles, comfort is often overlooked. However, Mahindra has ensured that the Bolero pickup offers a decent level of comfort for drivers who spend long hours on the road. The cabin is spacious, with a well-padded driver's seat and an ergonomically designed dashboard. The steering is power-assisted, making it easier to maneuver, especially in crowded city areas. The instrument cluster provides essential information such as speed, fuel level, and engine temperature. In terms of features, the Bolero pickup is equipped with a basic music system, air conditioning, in select variants, and power windows. While it may not be as feature-rich as passenger cars, it offers everything necessary for a comfortable drive. One of the biggest advantages of the Bolero pickup is its simple and easy-to-maintain design. The parts are widely available, and servicing costs are relatively low, making it a practical choice for small business owners and fleet operators. Why is the Mahindra Bolero pickup so popular? 1. Durability. The Bolero pickup is built to last. Its strong chassis and reliable engine ensure that it can withstand years of rough usage without major issues. 2. High payload capacity. With the ability to carry up to 1.7 tons, it is one of the most capable pickups in its category. 3. Fuel efficiency. Low running costs make it a profitable vehicle for businesses that rely on transportation. 4. Easy maintenance. Mahindra has a vast service network, and the availability of spare parts ensures that the vehicle can be maintained with minimal downtime. 5. Resale value. Thanks to its reputation, the Bolero pickup holds its value well in the resale market. Comparison with competitors. The Mahindra Bolero pickup faces competition from other light commercial vehicles like the Toyota, Ashok Leyland Dust, and Isuzu D-Max. Here's how it compares. Toyota offers a more modern design and a slightly higher power output. However, the Bolero pickup has a stronger resale value and a more extensive service network. Ashok Leyland Dust is known for its car-like driving experience and fuel efficiency, but it has a lower payload capacity than the Bolero pickup. Isuzu D-Max. The D-Max is powerful and feature-rich, but it is significantly more expensive, making it less accessible for small businesses. While each competitor has its advantages, the Bolero pickup remains a preferred choice due to its affordability, durability, and widespread service availability. Who should buy the Mahindra Bolero pickup? Small business owners. If you run a small business that involves goods transportation, the Bolero pickup is a cost-effective and reliable option. Farmers. Agricultural transportation is one of the key uses of the Bolero pickup. Whether you need to transport produce, livestock, or equipment, this vehicle is up for the task. Construction companies. For carrying building materials like bricks, cement, and sand, the Bolero pickup is a practical choice. Fleet operators. If you manage a fleet of commercial vehicles, adding the Bolero pickup to your lineup ensures minimal maintenance costs and higher reliability. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? The Mahindra Bolero pickup is not just a vehicle, it is a business partner. With its powerful engine, rugged design, and affordable maintenance, it continues to be the top choice for many businesses across India. If you are looking for a reliable, cost-effective, and high-performance pickup truck, the Bolero pickup is definitely worth considering. It may not have all the fancy features of modern pickup trucks, but when it comes to performance, durability, and practicality, it is hard to beat. What do you think about the Mahindra Bolero pickup? Do you own one? Or are you planning to buy it? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Timeless Autos, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things automobiles. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video.